I'm Tiggah. I'm from Moonsama's core team, and today I'm going to tell you a bit about what Moonsama is. So Moonsama is the leading NFT ecosystem of Polkadot, and as of yesterday, we are the newest parachain on Polkadot as well. So, thank you. So Moonsama's idea is to build infrastructure for not only our NFTs, but all NFTs that the community and other projects are building on top of Moonsama's ecosystem. So NFTs are a very controversial subject in blockchain industry. Before we saw people entering blockchain industry by Bitcoin, then came altcoins. But on the last cycle, a lot of people got into NFTs as their first step into Web3. So this created an opportunity for a lot of people to get easy access to launch a new project and get decent amount of funding for it. But a lot of these projects failed because a lot of people don't understand NFTs. So the most important part in NFTs is the actual community, and it needs to be built before the project launches. So for example, in Moonsama's case, we launched officially in 2021, but our community started to form in various crypto communities in 2018. So this led us to have something that most projects don't have, which is a community. And with the help of this community, we have created one of the most active communities in Polkadot, which is attracting a lot of projects to build on top of us. So why Polkadot? A lot of members from the core team were really interested about Polkadot ever since it launched, and community members who were part of Moonsama since the early days. So the reason we like Polkadot is because Polkadot has these parachains that you can think of as specialized blockchains. So one parachain can be made for digital identities, another one can be for DeFi, another one is for smart contracts. And then we have Moonsama network, which is our parachain for NFTs. So that's really the thing we like the most about Polkadot. Another cool things about Polkadot are the interoperability that it offers, so we can do really cool stuff with other parachains. Moonsama's tech stack is pretty wide, and here I show some of the most interesting ones for you. So Moonsama has a lot of metaverses and games that are live right now, and I'm going to show you one of them later today. And there are more in the works, and not all of them are even built by us, but other projects on our ecosystem. So then it all comes down to Resama. Resama is our NFT marketplace, which is one of the most active, if not the most active marketplace in Polkadot by its daily volume. We also have Moonsama gaming platform that we just launched a few days ago. So let's say you have an NFT which is part of Moonsama's ecosystem. So this gaming platform allows you to host and create tournaments in various different games, such as Call of Duty, and you can customize the rules of each tournament to your preferences. So they could be, for example, that you need a specific NFT to enter if you want to make that tournament for your own community inside Moonsama. Also, we have a Multiverse Portal, which is an application that is connecting off-chain applications such as meta games and metaverses with on-chain assets such as Moonsama NFTs and all the other NFTs that are part of our ecosystem. And then users can import their NFTs to the portal. Then they become in-game assets on the portal, and it creates you this metaverse character that you can use in various games and metaverses. And of course, the one thing that underpins this whole ecosystem, Moonsama network. So Moonsama network is a substrate-based parachain, and it supports EVM. So let's say you are from Polygon and you got an NFT project over there or some application. You can deploy it on Moonsama network just like that. So you don't need to code in Rust. You can do it in Solidity. The same applies to NFT projects. So if you have an NFT collection on Polygon and you want to integrate it with Moonsama's tech stack, we can actually do that even if you don't bring that NFT collection to our blockchain, because our applications are built so that they support any EVM-capable blockchains. So NFT 2.0 standard is something that is pretty widely used in Polkadot's NFT scheme. So Polkadot's NFT scheme is pretty young and small, but one of the cool things that exists in Polkadot's NFT scheme is that a lot of NFT projects do these evolvable NFTs. So what it means is that you have your base NFT, let's say a Moonsama NFT, so one bird. Then you can bring another NFT to combine it with your Moonsama NFT. Let's say headphones. So you can wear those headphones on your Moonsama, and it changes its appearances and functionalities inside the applications. So Multiverse Portal is how we achieve this NFT 2.0 utility. So it supports basically endless amount of applications, like games, and a lot of on-chain assets, so various NFTs. So here you can see on the right on-chain items. So how it works is that you select your NFT on it, then you import it to the game, and it becomes an in-game asset. This is how it registers that you have something like an access to our metaverses and games. And then on the left you see in-game skins. So out of these NFTs, let's say you have 10 NFT spreads, it creates you those skins to be used in the metaverse, different ones. RareSama marketplace. So what makes RareSama really different is that it's totally community-created marketplace. So let's say you want to verify your profile, you need to go through governance vote. So the community will be in charge of applying your profile to be verified on the RareSama. Also, the same thing applies to collections, which is also something that we use as our anti-spam mechanism. But it has actually led to more than that. It has created so much engagement with RareSama, and all the new projects are really getting researched by various community members by doing that. So it brought us something that we didn't really even think about. So since January, that was when we deployed RareSama on our blockchain. It's currently ExoSama network that will be migrating to Moonsama network. There were one collection at RareSama at the time, and since January we have grown this amount to 300, and it's all going through our anti-spam mechanism. So these are really good projects. So you cannot just spam a new collection over there. And you can also see the volume of rare Sama since January. That's in our native token, Sama. So, Moonsama Metaverse. This is the metaverse that I wanted to show you. I will play a video if it works. Okay, it doesn't work. But anyways, we got our metaverse that we are putting a lot of focus on, so you can see people using different NFT collections from different projects, from different blockchains, all combined into one metaverse character, and they all vary from each other in terms of appearances and functions. So this is something that we are hosting seasonal events such as Christmas event and soon Bunny Summer event. And you don't need an NFT to test it. So you can just go to our website and try it out and get your first NFT on Moonsama, unless something else comes today. So if any of you want to join Moonsama's ecosystem, there's a lot of ways to do that. You can be just a normal cryptocurrency participant, or a creator, or a gamer, or an artist. If you want to migrate if you are thinking of moving to Polkadot from Polygon in terms of your dApp or NFT collection, or thinking of making a new NFT collection, you can reach out to us and we can help you make that happen, even if it's on a different blockchain already. So if anyone wants to learn more about Moonsama, the best way is to join our Telegram, and there will be a lot of people answering questions. They can be even about Polkadot, and make sure to follow our Twitter to stay up to date with what's happening on Moonsama. Thank you.